Hey there, how's it going? Fawn here with an update to the previous video about how to make yourself some juggling clubs. These are the juggling clubs I made. They work absolutely fine, there's nothing wrong with them. However, this plastic bottle material makes an awful clatter if you drop it to the floor, which does happen quite a lot if you juggle like me. So here's the point. I went back to the drawing board and came up with an easier to make and much quieter set of juggling clubs. So at the end I'll show you a little bit of juggling, but first of all I'm just going to deconstruct one of these and show you what I did and how you can do it yourself as well. This is pipe insulation. This is pipe insulation. So this is for 20mm pipe insulation. And this outer ring is for approximately 42mm pipe. So the inner diameter of this piece here is for around 40mm, 42mm I think it actually is, and that's in a diameter of 20. Inner diameter 20, inner diameter 40. I'm just going to deconstruct this now. So look, this just slides on and off. Okay. Well, okay, so that was the last bit of it. Now, let's slide this off. What I did was in the local hardware store, I found end pieces. Okay. What I did, but you could do this a little bit differently. You need a little bit of weight in this end. So what I did was I drilled through, I put a nut and bolt in, and then it wasn't exactly the right size, so I got a little brass insert and filled it up with some coins. But the point is that once you put a nut and bolt through, you could put in any weight. It's an adjustable weight in this case because I put in a bunch of coins. I think if I was doing it again though, I would put this nut and bolt a little bit lower down so that I could put more weight in more easily. Let me show you the little brass insert. That's a plumber's brass insert, 15mm diameter. And these coins are able to fit inside that. But look, the point is you could put any weight in. Figure it out yourself. And that's a very, very easy construction method. And the point is that it's super quiet when you drop it. And if you recall at the opening, I overlapped each end so that if it falls, it's the insulation material that hits the floor. Okay, so without further ado, I shall go now and do another little recording of me juggling a bit. So just to reiterate, put the nut and bolt a little bit lower down and then you can put in any weight of your choice. Okay, here we go, a little bit of juggling. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed that. Happy juggling.